In this video, we will be looking at the features of the microwave oven model 3093-24. To set up the time, press clock and enter the time in hours and minutes. Press start or clock to activate the time. To remove the new oven smell, it is recommended to heat up the appliance for 1 hour. Make sure all packaging has been removed in the oven cavity. Press convention and select bake, enter 350 for temperature and press time, and enter 6000. Then press start. This appliance has a cooling fan that switches on during operation. The hot air escapes above the door. The cooling fan continues to operate for a certain time, even when the microwave operation has ended. Convection baking will use the bottom heat element for cooking. Simply press convection, and then press the start key. The default setting is at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. If you wish to modify the default setting, press convection until bake is displayed. Select the temperature, press time and enter the cooking time in minutes and seconds, and then press start. During cooking you may add more time by pressing the plus 30 seconds button repeatedly. During cooking you may open the door and the cooking will pause until you close the door and press start again. For roasting, press convection twice. The top heating element will be used, as well as the bottom element. You can press start that will accept the current default settings, or you may enter the temperature. You can also adjust the cooking time by pressing time and enter in minutes and seconds. Press start to begin the cooking. During cooking you may open the door and the cooking will pause until you close the door and press start again. With the preheat function, your appliance reaches the set temperature quickly. Press the preheat button, enter the temperature and then press start. When the oven reaches the set temperature, the display will show oven ready status and a signal will sound. To stop the preheating, press the clear off button. To operate the microwave, enter the time in minutes and seconds, then press start. The default power level will be 100. You can add more time by pressing the plus 30 seconds button. To stop the cooking, press clear off. For more cooking options, enter the cooking time. Press the power level. For microwave cooking, you can select up to 10 power settings. Press the start button to begin cooking. You can add more time by pressing the plus 30 seconds button. For express cooking, press 1 and microwave will automatically start cooking for 1 minute at full power level. You can select up to 9 minutes. Pressing 2 will automatically start cooking for 2 minutes at full power. For quick speedy cooking, just press start. You can add more time by pressing the plus 30 seconds button. Multi-stage cooking allows you to cook food for a certain period of time and power level, then automatically cook at a different time and power level. In this sample, we will cook for 20 seconds at 50% power level, then for 10 seconds at power level 20. Start by entering the time for phase 1, and then press power level and enter the power needed. Press power level, enter the power level for phase 2. And then press enter. Key in the cooking time for phase 2 and press start. The multi-stage cooking has started and will automatically switch to stage 2 cooking. You can add more time by pressing the plus 30 seconds button. With the auto menu, simply select your food and wait, and the cooking will start. Press auto menu repeatedly for selection. Enter the wait. Press start and the cooking time will start. For defrosting meat or ground meat, press the auto defrost and make your selection. Enter the weight and then press start. The cooking time is automatically calculated. You may open the oven door to pause cooking. Then with door shut, press start to continue. For popcorn cooking, press popcorn button repeatedly for the desired weight. Press the start button and the time will be automatically set. To heat up beverages, press beverage repeatedly for choices. From ½ ounce to 16 ounces. Press start to begin. To quickly cook frozen foods, press frozen food, and then press start to accept the default settings. For more options, press frozen foods, and then enter the temperature to override the default setting. Press time and enter in time in minutes and seconds. Press start to begin. You can add more time by pressing plus 30 seconds. For pizza cooking, you have 3 cooking options and a metal or ceramic tray option. Pizza stone is not recommended. For microwave pizza, place the pizza on the ceramic tray, then press pizza repeatedly until microwave pizza is displayed. Press start. The appliance will start sensing and a beep will sound and the calculated cook time will start. Do not open the door during the sensing process. For frozen or fresh pizza cooking, press pizza until option is displayed. Press start twice to accept the default settings. The set temperature is reached once the preheat bar is complete and a beep will sound. For more pizza cooking options, press pizza and select frozen or fresh pizza. Press enter. Press temp and enter temperature. Press time and enter in minutes and seconds for cooking time. Press start. Reheat foods with sensor reheat. Press sensor reheat. Press start. When sensing is complete, the calculated cooking time will begin. Do not open oven door during sensing. Sensor cooking allow you to cook your food without selecting the cooking times and power levels. Press sensor cook repeatedly for your desired food. Press start to begin. When sensing is complete, the calculated cooking time will begin. Do not open oven door during sensing. The broil feature uses intense heat from the upper element. Press broil and select high or low. The default broil time is 30 minutes. Press start to begin the default 30 minutes cooking time. You can enter your own cooking time by pressing time and entering the cooking time. Press start. This oven has a child-proof lock. To activate, press and hold the panel lock for 3 seconds. The lock is now displayed and no function can be set. To unlock, press panel lock for 3 seconds. This completes the user guide.